Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're making a seafood recipe. This one is Mejillones Al Ajillo or garlic mussels. It's super quick to make, super easy. They taste nice and fresh, just like seafood, of course. That nice smell of the sea, I guess it reminds me. It just smells like summer to me because it smells like summer, but it's super easy to make, so let's show you guys how to make. For these Mejillones Al Ajillo, here we have 200 grams of mussels, of course salt and pepper, and this is the Spanish paprika, and this one is, it's not the sweet one, it's not the spicy one, so it's in the middle. We're going to use about a teaspoon of vinegar just to remove that strong smell of mussels. 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of parsley, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. On medium heat, we've put our pan to heat up, and we're going to now add in the olive oil. And to the oil, we're going to add the garlic and saute that for a little bit. So once they've started to get golden brown, we don't want them to burn, so we're immediately going to add in the mussels. So once you've sauteed the mussels a little bit, we're going to add in the vinegar, the salt, the pepper, and the Spanish paprika. And we're going to saute that for a few minutes. So once the excessive water has started to evaporate, we're going to add in the parsley. And we'll just give it a nice mix, and we'll turn it off the heat, and it's ready to be served. So this is what it looks like. I can smell the freshness of the sea. And of course we have that garlic and Spanish smoked paprika aroma, and they release this very great aroma. It smells very delicious, so I can't wait to try it. So let's try. They taste like seafood, which is great. You get that that flavor of garlic and smoked paprika, which add a great depth to the seafood as well. Super easy and quick to make. Reminds me of gambas al ajillo, which I've made for my brother's birthday feast. You guys can go back to my channel, and it's right there. We've uploaded it a few days ago. Super easy to make, super quick, and tastes great. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me so you guys can further support me to make more content. So I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.